one of the best effects you can use to show off your old videos, and today I will be telling how you can create this simple effect with simple drag and drop. Open Premiere Pro, drag your footage to your timeline, and here's the best thing, I have an overlay of old film which you can get from Production Create website, link in the description. Sign it up and check it out their cool libraries as they have bunch of assets which you can use in your video. Moving on, add this overlay and adjust the scale and position and change the blending mode to darken and create an adjustment layer and drop it in between the footage. Then go to the lumetric panel, play with the color whatever you like, decrease the saturation, adjust the parameter of blacks, whites, and all the parameters depend accordingly. Then go down the creative section and decrease the sharpness because old films have not so much sharpness, so decrease the sharpness and increase the faded film parameter here, and the value totally depends on the video. Then add vignette, decrease the amount, midpoint, and increase the feather and roundness also, and let's see how it is looking good. Next, if you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe so it can spread up to other people also. Then add noise effect to the adjustment layer and increase the value a little bit, and let's see. Nice. And here's the thing, you can create your own black bar by creating a black video and add it over the adjustment layer. Then click on the rectangular mask and increase the expansion and feathering and check this invert option. Then adjust the scale of the mask. See, looking good. Add grain overlay to this footage and change the blending mode to darken, and let's see how is it looking, and create your own film look like effect. But here's the thing, if you want to create an awesome VFX look sky replacement, then check it out the video here. I'm showing you how you can create sky replacement lighting storm effect in Premiere Pro.